Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bearai token. Now the Bearai token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps so you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Bearai is an innovative crypto project designed to empower users with the wisdom and insights needed to navigate the crypto market. Even during the most challenging bear markets, our artificial intelligence allows users to ask educational crypto questions and receive knowledgeable responses, making crypto education accessible and dynamic. So ticker symbol for this token is BAI. Now this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting September 12th, 10 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search BAI, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So September 12th, 10 o'clock UTC time. Now this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. There's 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 1 quadrillion tokens, and they almost have 6,000 holders already, 5,895 holders as of recording this video. Now their Twitter, I'm going to put up their Twitter right here so you guys can easily find this project. At Bearai Official, blue verified checkmark, 53 posts so far. They just joined in July 2023, brand new project, 28,700 Twitter followers already. And their pinned tweet is talking about their brand new Mexc Global listing. So they're pretty pumped about that. Now, they do have a full white paper as well that you could check out on their official webpage, bearai.org. It is a 7-page white paper. Big disclaimer, of course, because buying crypto can be sketchy and volatile and all that stuff. So just understand your investment before making your investment, in a nutshell, of course. Now, very, very tiny print on their white paper. So they have community interaction. Bearai fosters a vibrant community where users can engage in discussions, share insights, and learn from one another. Our platform encourages collaboration and knowledge exchange. Also, their project description, it says, Bearai is an innovative crypto project designed to empower users with the wisdom and insights needed to navigate the crypto market even during the most challenging bear markets, and that's where the name Bearai comes from. Our AI allows users to ask educational crypto questions and receive knowledgeable responses, making crypto education accessible and dynamic. Their project mission at Bearai, we believe that education is the key to success in the crypto space. Our mission is to harness the power of AI and to provide users with accurate insightful answers to their crypto-related questions, helping them make informed decisions and thrive in any market condition. The key features: artificial intelligence-powered question and answers. Bearai's AI engine is equipped to answer a wide range of crypto questions, From basic concepts to advanced trading strategies, users can ask questions in natural language and receive clear, concise, and accurate responses. Security and privacy, we prioritize security and privacy of our users. Your data and interactions with Bearai are kept confidential, ensuring a safe and trusted environment for learning. Tokenomics, it says ecosystem growth. Tokens play a crucial role in fueling the organic growth of the Bearai ecosystem, facilitating its expansion into new markets. Rewards and incentives. Tokens are used to reward and incentivize user engagement and contributions. Also, governance participation. So token holders can actively participate in decision-making processes through governance voting. And token utility. The token plays a pivotal role as a vital component within the thriving Bearai ecosystem, driving innovation and growth. Now, their roadmap is on here, starting with Phase 1, Inception and Launch, Conceptualization and Planning, Platform Development, Beta Testing and Reinforcement. Step 2 is going to be Growth and Engagement, Public Launch and User Acquisition, Community Building and Content Expansion, Security and Privacy Enhancements. And then Phase 3 is Scaling and Future Developments, Scalability and Performance Optimization, Market Expansion and Partnerships, User-Driven Innovation and Sustainability. Now, they have Medium articles, they have a Twitter, aka an X, they have a Telegram, they have an email if you want to reach out, support@bearai.org. Now, their Telegram you can find at Bearai Official, and there is a lot of followers on here. So they have a lot of token holders, doing very well on Twitter, and their Telegram has 28,132 members, 3,145 of them online. So they're doing very well on their 28,000 on their Twitter as well. So you can check out their Mexc global listing announcement at Mexc_official on Twitter. This was part of a Kickstarter event and now has their official listing coming up. Check out their bearai.org webpage where you can find the full white paper, a button to buy. That's where you can find their Medium articles as well. It says platform launch coming soon, and that's a button that you'll be able to click on that'll take you over there. Now, and besides that, you can subscribe to a newsletter on their webpage as well if you want to stay up to date that way. And that is about it. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.